Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make an awesome opening intro video on CapCut. So first, just import your videos to CapCut and just click on the first clip. Add 2 keyframes at the beginning and also in the middle, like this. And then after that, go to the first keyframe, then zoom out the clip until it becomes small, like this. Okay, and then just click on the overlay, add overlay, then add another clip. So put the clip under the first one and then add keyframe at the beginning, then zoom out the clip like the first one. And now add another keyframe at the end, then make the clip bigger. Next, drag the clip outside the frame like this. Okay, and now add another overlay and repeat the same steps like the first overlay. Okay, but for the next one, you need to drag it to another direction. So I'm going to drag it to here. So it will go like this. Okay, and then next you can just add another overlay. So you can add up to 4 overlay if you want. Okay, so I've already add 4 overlay like this. The overlay goes to different directions like so, and after that you can just go to filter, and then here click on the inception filter and adjust it to your liking. Just click on the check icon and apply it to all of your clips, and then after that go to the video effects, click on the opening and closing, and then select the camera focus 1. Click on the check icon and now apply it to all of your clips like this. Okay, it will go like this. Then after that, click on the transition box in here and then click on blur and select the blur transition for 0.4 seconds and apply it to all. And now you are done, and here is the result for the intro video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, thanks button, comment if you have any question, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.